The modern interior design landscape, much like the consumer electronics market, is often a sprawling wasteland of ephemeral trends and disposable aesthetic statements. It's a space where form often precedes function to such an extreme that the absence of function becomes its own statement. Most so-called decorative items are simply glorified landfill, designed to capture a fleeting moment before being discarded. But occasionally, a piece emerges that dares to defy the digital tyranny, an object so utterly committed to its own static purpose that it almost achieves a perverse form of industrial integrity. This isn't a device for silicon efficiency. It isn't built to leverage computational power. This is quite simply an object designed not to do anything, and in that, it excels with an almost defiant grace. Its value proposition is not about saving milliseconds of processing time, but about reclaiming mental bandwidth lost to constant notification streams. Consider its three core attributes, if we can even call them that in this context. Firstly, the manufacturer describes it as very practical. In a world saturated with apps and alerts, what could be more practical than an item that demands absolutely nothing from you? No updates, no charging cycles, no performance bottlenecks. Its practical ROI is measured in the profound silence it brings, offering a visual anchor in a high-octane professional environment, freeing up critical mental resources that would otherwise be consumed by data streams. Secondly, the claim. Very beautiful. This isn't about ultra-high-definition displays or a zero-bezel experience. It's about a design language that speaks of a time before pervasive connectivity. The green finish, likely a durable enamel over a plastic or light metal composite, offers a muted yet persistent visual presence. Its beauty is in its unapologetic solidity, its refusal to dissolve into a digital haze. This aesthetic integrity provides a tangible ROI in office psychology, cultivating an atmosphere of thoughtful permanence against a backdrop of rapid digital flux. Thirdly, its designation as a wired phone home office decoration ornament. This isn't a communication device. It's a statement about the lack of communication, a testament to focused work. The implied wiring, though purely decorative in this context, whispers of a simpler circuit, a direct, unfiltered connection to a singular purpose, rather than a cacophony of simultaneous channels. Its ROI is the sheer volume of mental clutter it eliminates, a solid monument against the tyranny of multitasking, allowing for singular, uninterrupted thought processes. Handling this item, one immediately notes its deliberate lack of significant mass. It feels light, perhaps less than 2 pounds, a surprising contrast to the implied robustness of its visual style. The chassis, spanning roughly 10 inches in length, and perhaps 8 inches high, exhibits a tactile smoothness, a finish that suggests it was designed to be observed rather than interacted with. The weight isn't for stability against a high-frequency vibration, but for easy repositioning on a desktop or shelf. Now, for a candid admission, its most striking quirk is its complete lack of operational capacity. This is not a phone. It will never ring. It will never connect. Some might see this as a flaw, a missed opportunity for a true retro-functional piece. But I see it as its highest performance trade-off. It sacrifices all utility for unparalleled, undemanding aesthetic presence. It trades the constant demands of communication for absolute, unwavering tranquility. It's a statement of radical disengagement, a high-performance tool for focusing attention by removing the option to scatter it. In 2026, as the integrated circuits of a hyper-connected world become ever more ubiquitous, objects of such resolute, single-minded non-functionality are fast becoming an anomaly, a scarcity. Their components, however simple, are often overlooked in the rush to digitize everything. I put the link below so you can check the current 2026 price and stock.